What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Today we are going to talk about a module package in Python. For this sample, suppose a package about Tesla and several functions in Tesla. At first, we can see there are files of init.py and drive multimedia charge of subpackage. And then there are 3 Python files about init, manual, auto.py in drive subpackage, and init, sound, video, internet.py in multimedia subpackage, and init, power, alert, charge.py in charged subpackage. Alright, this is the structure of package in Python, and this sample helps us to understand the package in Python more. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.